Hi, I wanted to show you a very quick demo on some of the searching techniques you can use inside RFPMonkey. The first technique, and the most basic, is just to do an open query. In this case, I haven't really told RFPMonkey what I'm looking for. I'm just saying show me all of the approved content. Another technique is to use filtering. So you can select things like categories and subcategories to select content by topic. So for instance, let me search within the business category and a subcategory of company info. So this will show me all of the content that's currently approved that is within that particular combination of category and subcategory. You can use multiple drop downs as you see in the top at the same time if you'd like. Another technique, which is a little bit more to the point, is to type in something very specific. In this case, I'm searching for a word, location, and it will show me entries that include the word location anywhere within their question or the answer or some optional keywords or a comments field. You can optionally have it highlight where the word was found. Here's so you can see all the different places where the word location appears within certain content. A technique that I prefer over most of the others uses what's called a relevance match. So if you paste from your RFP the entire question that you're being asked and execute a search, this will look for content that is related to what's being asked about, but won't get hung up about matching it 100% or matching it exactly. You'll notice here that the question being asked is not an exact phrasing of any of the responses that were found, but you can also tell if you glance here that they're quite good answers for this. So it answered them in spirit. And it gives me a numerical rating that indicates the strength of the relevancy between the content that was located and the content that I was looking for. And as always, the better results go to the top. The higher the number equals the stronger relationships. And then finally, I wanted to show you something called search macros. So you'll notice just underneath the search bar several areas. These allow me to search for things like, for instance, any entry that has a JPEG graphic in it. So you can see screenshots, charts and graphs and things of that sort. You might also want to search for anything that has been approved or updated recently, let's say perhaps within the last month. So here's a list of those. You might want to search for things that include things like lists, ordered lists, bulleted lists, things of that sort. So the macros give you the ability to search for things that could, in some cases, be difficult to find just based on their content alone. That's it. That's how you search within RFPMonkey.